Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This recipe was going all over my social media, so I thought why not, we should just give it a try. Today we are making a super simple pineapple cake using a vanilla cake mix and a can of pineapples. It's quick to put together and tastes amazing. So let's get started. Here I have a box of vanilla cake mix and a can of pineapples. I didn't have the crushed pineapple can. Here I'm gonna be using the broken pieces and I'll just blend them in the blender. So here to this cake mix we'll be adding 100 grams of milk and yogurt, 100 grams of vegetable oil and 100 grams of eggs. So I don't have at the moment milk and yogurt, so I thought I will replace it with sour cream. I will be adding 100 grams of sour cream to a 300 grams of vanilla cake mix. And here I have 445 grams of a can of pineapples, which I'm gonna use half of the can and I'll add it to my vanilla cake mix. So let's get started. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. You guys have to try this recipe, it's worth the hype. Here in a bowl, I will be adding my vanilla cake mix. To it, I'll be adding half a cup of sour cream. I didn't have the ready-made sour cream at home, store-bought, so I made mine at home. To a half cup of heavy cream, I added 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And I gave it a good mix and let it sit aside for 10 to 15 minutes till our sour cream was perfectly ready. Now to this, I'll be adding half a cup of oil. And 2 medium-sized eggs. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It keeps me motivated and bring for you new recipes. Give this a good mix till you get a lump-free batter. So in the cake premix, they said you had to add 100 grams of milk and yogurt. But I just added 100 grams of sour cream because I had to balance the juice of the pineapple, which I'll be adding later to my mixture. So here I grinded my pineapples with the juice. Here I'm adding 1 cup of crushed pineapples. Give it a good mix till everything is combined well. And here our pineapple cake batter is perfectly ready. Now here in an 8 by 8 square mold greased and dusted with flour, I'll be adding my pineapple cake batter. Tap once or twice and bake in a preheated oven 150 to 160 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. Here rest of the half of the can, I will separate the juice from the pineapple pieces. I will be using the juice for my cake, and the pineapple pieces I will be adding some to my whipped cream, and I will use a few pineapple pieces to top my cake with. Now here we will be whipping our heavy whipping cream. Here I had stored whipped cream from my previous recipe. To it I'll be adding a little bit more of my heavy whipping cream. Beat till you get stiff peaks. You can add sugar to your heavy whipping cream. My whipping cream is already sweetened, so I'm not gonna be adding sugar to it. This is totally optional. If you want, you can add. Once your whipping cream has been beaten, scrape down the sides and fold in gently. Here I'm adding my crushed pineapples and I will mix it into my whipping cream. At this point, you can beat your whipping cream till you get stiff peaks. I will leave my whipping cream in the freezer for a few minutes and whip it again. Here our pineapple cake is perfectly ready and out of the oven. Just look at how super soft and moist it looks. Now while your cake is warm, you want to add the pineapple juice that you have saved just right on top. You just need to add a few tablespoons just to cover the top. Because the cake is already too moist, you don't want to add the syrup to make it even more moist. Your cake might break. So here I've added 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now we will cover our cake and let it rest at room temperature. Here our cake has perfectly demolded. Now we will add our whipped cream. You can decorate your cake as you like. Trust me guys, this cake is worth the hype and worth the try. You guys have to try it out and share with me your feedback. I enjoyed it, my kids enjoyed it, and my husband enjoyed it as well. Now here I'll be adding my pineapple chunks that I have saved. In this recipe, I have used the whole 545 grams of pineapples to a 300 grams of pineapple mix. You can use it however you like. Half of the can I've crushed and added into my pineapple cake, and the rest I've added on top and into my whipping cream. Just look at how super soft and moist this cake is. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, you guys, this tastes so amazing. You guys have to try it. Even the people who don't like pineapple, they will definitely fall in love with this cake. Do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for baking with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this pineapple cake with just a vanilla cake mix and a can of pineapples. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time. Bye.